Breaking news, guys, the Ethereum ETF is finally here. I have just got off the plane. I'm in New York currently, and things are going crazy, right? You may be surprised with the price action for Ethereum, so we're going to be discussing that along with some of BlackRock's plans, because they came out with a video that just released right now, and let's go over everything that you need to know to be fully up to date, because what is going on? The spot Ethereum ETFs just hit 500 million in trading volume already. It's only been open for a couple of hours and they've already hit 500 million. Now, just after that, we saw BlackRock, well, not after the volume, but just after the launch of the ETF, we had BlackRock drops Ethereum ETF video for investors, basically explaining how Ethereum works, why it's popular, why people like it, all of that sort of nonsense that you guys obviously know already. But what's important here is BlackRock is now pushing Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. As we know, we don't think that BlackRock is out here to help us, although I do think they're out here to make significant money, so I believe that this is going to be significant price action for Ethereum because of this news. Now, a lot of people were speculating that this would be a buy the rumor, sell the news event for Ethereum, and so far it has been a pullback and buy the rumor, sell the news event for Ethereum, but not that bad yet. We do have a support region sitting about 3,356, which I think would be very nice to hold, or we could come down to test as low as 3,134. But what do? We have to make money either way, guys, and as you know, I'm going to make money either way, right? So I actually set up a short at $3,500 right here. I opened up a massive short on BTCC. Grab yourself this 10% deposit bonus so you too can make shorts using the deposit bonus, right? It's not even your money. You can use their money to make massive bets on what's going to happen in this market. And if we jump over, you can see 1,300% profit already. This was an absolutely nuts play. And I don't recommend using this sort of leverage, you guys, but if sometimes you just have that feeling in your gut and you want to make some profit from what's going to happen, that's what I did. I opened up a short. And yes, head down to the comments and call me what an idiot I am. I did open up a very similar short on Bitcoin as a gambling bet to see whether or not we would close the CME gap, which we have not yet done. But I did that all the while having my spot bags and my long positions still open, guys. I still have all of my long positions open down here. We can see, I don't know if my thing's in the way, I only have one screen right now, but we can see 1,900% profit, 1,300% profit, like $6,000 or $7,000 of profit just sitting right here in long positions. So guys, I am not bearish on the market because I opened this short, but I'm making money no matter what happens. The reason why I did this was exactly what we've been speaking about on the channel. I buy the rumor, sell the news event in the short term. BlackRock are buying Ethereum, and they're coming out and convincing retail investors to also buy Ethereum. This is going to be so bullish, but maybe in the short term, we get some turbulence. So I'm going to make profit from it either way. If you guys do want to sign up, I highly recommend using BTCC as one of the exchanges because you get this deposit bonus. There's no VPN required. There's no KYC required. You can make massive bets with small amounts of leverage. And guys, on top of all of that, they have a ton of different cryptos you can trade. If you like meme coins, you can trade meme coins. And guys, I actually alerted to this trade right here in my private Patreon. I opened the short on at $3,500 here. I then did a step-by-step on moving my stop to break even, on taking some profits, all of that sort of stuff, and keeping people up to date with the trade itself. So if you don't want to stay up to date with what I'm doing, you can come and join the Patreon, link in the description. Plus, we have our team traders who post trades here when they see them, opportunities in the market that they see fit. There's a ton of opportunities, and we have a ton of people making loads of wins, and we have people making some really amazing wins here. Just look at all of these wins that we've seen recently. So if you do want to come and join it, the link will be down there to my Patreon in the description. Let's look at Bitcoin's price action because we've got to discuss, guys. Look at this. Again, if you are someone who's sitting there telling me or telling everyone that TA doesn't work, guys, we drew this bull flag about a week ago, a little bit more than a week ago, right? We came down and retested this bottom bit. Perfect opportunity for a long position right there at 54,000. What price did we get our long position at for Bitcoin? We got it 58,000. Lovely stuff there. And guys, Look at it, all right? We got rejected perfectly right there at the resistance. Now, this doesn't mean that we're going to go all the way down back to the bottom, but it does mean it's possible. So be prepared. We may very well go down lower than the last low and still be in what is known as a bullish bull flag, right? That can still happen, but maybe we get a little bit of turbulence and then we come up and retest it again. And what we want is to break through the resistance, turn this about $66,000 or $67,000 into a support and then head higher. So watch out for that, guys. Right now, like I told you yesterday, it was a better opportunity for a short position than a long position. We don't know exactly how this part is going to play out. Hopefully we do really hold about the $65,000 region, but let's wait to see what happens before we jump into anything big for Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum, of course, I do think that a short-term turbulence here. I'm waiting to see if we can hold 3,300 really. If not, it would be very easy for us to come down and retest the lower regions down here. We have our longer-term long position for Ethereum sitting at just under $3,000. And guys, I'm happy either way because I'm making profits either way, but we do have other things to worry about, which may be the reasons why Bitcoin is currently pulling back. And we got the big dog back in the we got the fox back in the hen house, guys. Mt. Gox creditors begin receiving Bitcoin on Kraken exchange, guys. They're moving it. $2.85 billion in Bitcoin. They moved that to new wallets in the morning in order to distribute 5,110 Bitcoin, guys. They're going to be distributing it $340 million into 4 separate addresses. And guys, we just need to think about this for a second, all right? Yes, they may start selling. I don't think that the people who receive the Bitcoin are going to sell everything. I don't think it's going to happen all at once. So therefore, I don't think it's going to be as bad as what people think. And one thing that I may be so bold to suggest is that the market may not be stupid enough to think that this is going to crash the market down to, you know, $40,000 or $30,000, because that's what the market needs to think for us in order for us to go down significantly, right? The market doesn't think, oh, they're going to just dump a little bit of Bitcoin and we're going to trickle down to the bottom of our bull flag and then bounce. The market can't think that for us to have this big move downwards. It needs to think a lot more, a lot worse is going to happen. And I think maybe, just maybe, the market is a little bit more intelligent than that now. Remember, Mt. Gox moving this money, Mt. Gox giving out the Bitcoin doesn't mean it's all going to hit the market all at once. However, my friends, it could. All right? It could happen. So don't just sit there and think, oh, well, Conor says it's not going to happen, so it's not going to happen. No, I think it's not going to happen. And I'm betting with my personal spot portfolio that it's not going to happen. But it could happen. And maybe I'm completely wrong. And maybe this absolutely destroys Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market forever. I don't know. I don't think it's going to do that. It's never done it in the future. It's never done it in the past. I don't think it's going to do it now. But guys, be prepared for either side of the coin. Now, BlackRock has also updated their website for the Ethereum ETF, guys. BlackRock are coming for your Ethereum. They want to shake you out. It's within their best interest, right? To shake everyone out now. Have the price go up, shake everyone out again. Have the price go up, shake everyone out again. Have the price go up. And that's exactly to a T what we saw with Bitcoin and the Bitcoin ETF. Now, bullish news, breaking. $900 billion asset manager Hamilton Lee becomes the first asset manager to launch a fund on the Solana blockchain. As you guys know, here on this channel, in our little theory moment, our little scary moment that we had, I was bullish on what? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Some other altcoins, yes, that I did build my bags in. Very happy. Those are looking nice. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. That's what I've been trading on leverage. That's what I have been buying on spot. All of which have done incredibly well. Solana right now is looking at a much healthier position to start your positions in if you missed the break. We spoke about 2 opportunities for Solana. The opportunity that I got in my long for at $124, which now is still right now, $1,900 of profit. I actually opened a $100,000 position down there and slowly took profits on the way up. So in moments like this, when we have a pullback, my spot bags go down, but I don't actually care that much. But we're having this pullback. This is a better opportunity to get into a long if you were going to get into a long up here, or if you were going to dollar cost average up here. Now, I'm not telling you to start those positions, but after this pullback here, this is safer position. Although I do think it's possible for us to come and retest the $150 region. I don't see why that might not happen. That could be a nice, very nice bullish opportunity to get in. Anywhere between here, I think is very nice, right? I was buying obviously all the way down here. I was buying, and then getting very long down there at the bottom. But guys, I think that this is just the very start of there being a Solana ETF to come in the future. That's what I think. That's why I'm massively bullish on Solana. Don't get me wrong though. I shall be taking profits. I'll probably take profits from Solana very soon because I bought a lot. I bought a lot of Solana when the market pulled back down here. I've made very nice profits. Let's say I started here and I bought here, so my average would be about 150. Right now, 18% profit with a large position means I could take out a significant amount of money and then let the rest ride. That's how I play this market. I get in and I take profits, and I tell you guys that I do that. I don't sit here and lie like some people and tell you that I'm going to hold forever, because that's not the plan. I'm here to make money, to then invest into real world assets, to then buy, to then give myself passive income for the rest of my life. That's what I want to do here, and that's what I want for each and every one of you guys. And I'm here to tell you that I'm afraid there's another 60 hours we got ahead of us. Guys, there's 60 hours until we may hear from Donald Trump regarding Bitcoin at the Bitcoin Nashville conference that I'm heading to. And this could be absolutely massive. This is very interesting stuff. I'm very interested to see what he has to say. In 60 hours, we could get some huge news, and we may have a pullback until then. The market may get scared, the market may get shaken out, and then he announces something and then we go parabolic, or it could be completely the other way around. So in 60 hours, everything could potentially change. It could be an announcement of a partnership with BlackRock, a strategic reserve, those things together. It could be any of those things, and it could be incredibly bullish for the market, or it could be a nothing burger. But for me, I'm very excited to see. So I will be telling you I'll be the first channel to tell you exactly what's going to happen, because I'm going to be there. I might even live stream it. So if you've made it to this part in the video, let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to live stream Donald Trump's speech at the Bitcoin Nashville conference, and I'll do that. And if there's anything else you want me to live stream or make videos of, let me know in the comment section, or just type Nashville to let me know you made it all the way to the end. With that said, guys, I absolutely love each and every one of you. I hope you guys are absolutely printing in this market, and if you are yet to get your hands on your bonus on BTCC, go and get it so you can at least start trading with your bonus, guys. I put $100,000 on this exchange. I got $10,000 as a deposit bonus, and I can trade with it. I can make these sorts of bets where I think, hey, you know what? Ethereum might pull back. It might be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and I want to make profit. So I'm going to do it. With that said, guys, the short on Ethereum, right, is a short-term play.